Have you ever asked an AI a seemingly simple logic question, only to get an answer that's confidently, completely wrong? It's a common experience, and it highlights a fundamental challenge for large language models. While they are masters of language, their ability to reason through multi-step problems hasn't always been as robust. They can write a poem or summarize a document with ease, but ask them to solve a word puzzle, and the cracks in their logic can start to show. This is because, at their core, many models are trained to predict the next word, not to truly understand and process a problem sequentially. But what if we could teach them to think before they speak? Welcome to this deep dive tutorial on chain of thought. In this video, we'll explore what this transformative technique is, where it came from, why it's a game changer for AI reasoning, and how you can leverage it to build more intelligent and reliable applications. So, what exactly is chain of thought? At its simplest, it's a prompting technique that encourages a large language model to articulate its reasoning process step by step before giving a final answer. Instead of making a direct leap from question to conclusion, the model generates the intermediate thoughts that a person might have when solving the same problem. Think of it like showing your work in a math class. You don't just write down x equals 5, you write out the equations, the substitutions, and the calculations that led you to that answer. This process of externalizing the reasoning path is the essence of chain of thought. This technique was popularized in a groundbreaking 2022 paper from Google Research, which demonstrated that simply adding the phrase, "Let's think step by step" to a prompt could dramatically improve an LLM's performance on complex reasoning tasks. It's not a change to the model's architecture, it's a change in how we communicate with it, guiding it to unlock its latent reasoning abilities. Let's see this in action with a concrete example. Imagine we give a model this word problem. A farmer has 15 apples. He sells 3 to his neighbor. He then goes to the market and buys 2 more baskets of apples, with each basket containing 6 apples. How many apples does the farmer have now? With a standard prompt, a model might rush to an answer and make a mistake, perhaps just adding all the numbers together. It might incorrectly output 24. Now let's try it with a chain of thought prompt. We'd phrase it like this. Q. A farmer has 15 apples. How many apples does he have now? A. Let's think step by step. The model's response would then look very different. It would first break down the problem. Step 1. The farmer starts with 15 apples. Then, step 2. He sells 3 apples, so we subtract 3 from 15. 15 minus 3 equals 12 apples. Next, step 3. He buys 2 baskets, and each basket has 6 apples. So he gets 2 6 equals sign 12 new apples. Finally, step 4. We add the new apples to the apples he had left. 12 plus 12 equals 24 apples. By forcing the model to decompose the problem, it correctly navigates each stage of the logic, arriving at the right answer. This simple shift from asking for an answer to asking for a process makes all the difference. The benefits of this approach are profound and extend far beyond simple math problems. The most obvious is a dramatic improvement in accuracy for tasks requiring arithmetic, common sense, or symbolic reasoning. By breaking a complex problem into smaller, manageable parts, the model reduces the chance of making a critical error. Secondly, chain of thought provides unprecedented transparency. For years, LLMs have been criticized as black boxes. We see the input and the output, but the process in between is a mystery. CoT turns this black box into a glass box. We can read the model's reasoning, understand its logic, and verify its conclusions. This leads directly to the third major benefit: easier debugging and increased trust. If a CoT-enabled model gives a wrong answer, you can often pinpoint exactly where its logic went astray. Was it a miscalculation in step 2? A flawed assumption in step 3? This diagnostic capability is crucial for refining prompts and building trust in AI systems, especially in high-stakes fields like medicine, finance, and law, where understanding the why behind a decision is just as important as the decision itself. However, chain of thought is not a silver bullet, and it's important to understand its limitations and potential pitfalls. The most immediate challenge is increased computational cost. Generating a detailed reasoning path requires more tokens and more processing time than simply outputting a final answer. This can have implications for cost and latency in real-time applications. Another significant risk is the possibility of reasoning hallucinations. The model can generate a chain of thought that looks plausible and is grammatically correct, but but contains logical fallacies or factual errors. It can make a mistake early on and then confidently build the rest of its argument on that faulty foundation. To mitigate these issues, several best practices have emerged. First, be explicit. Using trigger phrases like, "let's think step by step" or "explain your reasoning" is key. Second, for more complex tasks, provide a few-shot demonstration in your prompt, showing the model exactly what a good chain of thought looks like. Finally, when possible, have a verification layer that can check the logic of the generated steps, adding a crucial layer of quality control. In summary, chain of thought represents a pivotal shift in how we interact with large language models. It's a move away from treating them as magical black box oracles and toward treating them as reasoning partners. It's not about fundamentally changing the AI's core intelligence overnight. Instead, it's about providing a scaffold, a structured framework that guides the model to leverage its existing knowledge more effectively. By making the process as important as the outcome, we make its thought process visible, its conclusions verifiable, and its errors correctable. This simple yet powerful technique is a foundational step toward building more capable, transparent, and ultimately more reliable AI systems that we can trust to tackle the world's most complex challenges. And chain of thought is just the beginning. To address some of its limitations, like the risk of a single flawed reasoning path, the field is rapidly evolving. Stay tuned for our future videos where we'll dive into advanced prompting techniques that build upon these ideas, such as self-consistency, which pulls multiple reasoning paths to find the most reliable answer, and the even more complex tree of thoughts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and machine learning.